Hello friends, welcome back to Being Savvy. This is another video about Mysore trip. This is a 2 day trip that we went, and it's a very nice place to visit. One of the finest tourist spots, which is very famous worldwide. We have chosen nice road to reach this spot. We started early in the morning, and here we are stopping near Biddi for having breakfast. Along the way, we have lots of places to eat, which will serve as idlis. Roads are very wide and nice. You can reach Mysore in no time, but generally the traffic is more along this route. You can also choose another route which goes via Hassan. Initially, we are going to visit Nimishamba temple. You can see that we are taking turn here near the temple area. This is a very small place, but people consider visiting this place will always make your wishes come true, and this is a very nice dharmic place where we have a river flowing nearby the temple, and lot of people will sit here and enjoy the view. You can have food here. Lot of stores are there which will sell you eating stuff, and a lot of space is there where you can relax and enjoy the day. The day we went, it was kind of drizzling and very nice. The kids enjoyed this place a lot. After visiting the temple, here we have come to Hotel Mayura Riverview, where we had our lunch, and the backwaters of Kaveri will flow here, and you can sit and have a relaxed lunch. You can see a lot of fishes in the water. Kids really enjoyed staying here. This is an open space restaurant where they will serve very nice yummy food. Nice food you will get. It is hot and we really enjoyed it. Lot of garden area is there where you can enjoy, and kids will definitely enjoy this place. You can as well stay here, but the booking was full as lockdown was opened up. Lot of tourists in these places. After having our yummy lunch, we are heading here towards KRS, that is Brindavan Gardens. Huge place. One must visit this place without fail if you are visiting Mysore. KRS Brindavan Gardens is near outskirts of Mysore. We are almost reaching the spot here. Approximately 5 kilometers from this spot. You can see almost sun was setting, and we can definitely view the day view of the garden as well as the night view here. So we chose to visit at this time, and there is musical fountain in this garden which will start only after around 7 o'clock, and you will have approximately 5 shows which lasts up to 15 minutes, and it is one of the oldest dams. You can see from the road itself, you can view the dam area. It is a very huge place. The garden is situated near the dam, and nobody is allowed to walk on this dam. You can see that big fountain is here, and we have boat rides which will take you in the backwaters. It's a very nice place. to walk around with family and have fun. The garden is lush green and maintained very well. When we visited this place, a lot of tourists were there. Um, this was the first time I am visiting. Day view was very nice. We really enjoyed walking around this place and taking pics. You can see so many people have come to visit this area. There's a huge hotel here at the other end of the gardens, and on one side there is a dam. Lot of plants and garden looks so beautiful. You can see lot of landscaping artwork has been done here in the gardens. This place has entry fee of approximately 50 rupees for Indian citizens, and it is worth watching this place. You can see the lights are on already. Once the night view comes, it is really mesmerizing and looks too beautiful to watch. The fountains look so nice. It's one of the oldest musical fountains built in India and is really good to watch. Hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. If you have liked it and you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell and share this video among your friends and family. Now you can see the night view. It really looks beautiful and surreal. Friends, please stay tuned till the end and watch my next vlog wherein I will show the musical fountain, how it looks, and you will definitely like it. And this is a vlog of day 1 of our Mysore trip, and stay tuned for the next vlog wherein I will show the zoo and the palace of Mysore, which we visited on the second day. Both places are worth visiting, and I hope that you liked this vlog and enjoyed watching it. Take care. See you in next vlog. Bye.